In today's video, I have got an automated method for making money online, and it's not just going to earn you a few pennies. Now, I first shared this example probably about a year ago, actually. I was just trying to think how long ago this was. I did this about a year ago, and it's still earning money to this day. And I'll share with you some examples of this and proof of how this all works, because literally realistically it takes about 45 minutes to set this all up. And once it's up, you can be earning some very good money, and you can earn money in a number of ways. So let me share with you the method and how this works, and then I'll share with you how you can set this up yourself. Because once you've set it up, as I've mentioned, it's automated. You don't need to do anything else with this. So if I come over here, this is a website called flippercom. Now, if you don't know about this website over here, you can buy businesses. You can buy websites. You can see over here, you can buy websites, apps, domains. There's also e-commerce sites on here. There's services. There's SaaS and also AdSense, okay? But basically, I want to share with you a couple of examples. So if I come over here, let me share with you this, okay? So this person is selling this website called craftsace.com. Now, if I come over to Craftsace, I'll show you what this is. This is the website, okay? And I'll scroll down here. Now, there's nothing particularly great about this website. If I go into any one of these, I'll click on here. Let me show you this. We'll see here in a second, this is just a YouTube video, okay? That's it. Scroll further on the page here. They've got some Amazon products here. So these are Amazon affiliate links. We've got affiliate links over here. Now, here's the cool thing. This literally takes about less than an hour to set this up. This is one example, okay? Now, if I come over to this Craftsace, we can buy this. Now, I want to share with you this about the seller over here. Sorry, my phone was just ringing down there. So you can see this seller over here. They've made $128,535 on this Flipper site here, selling these automated websites. So if I come over here into their profile, I'll quickly show you this, okay? So let's scroll down. So we can see on here, 284 comments placed, 2 bids, Come further on the page here, and we can see, where's his listings gone? He's currently got 32 listings for sale. He's been on here for 11 years. And the number of transactions and where they're based. Now, if I scroll down here, you will see all of these websites are all the same, just in different categories, okay? So we've got this one over here, $195. This one, $195. Pets efforts. And basically, if you go to any one of these, it doesn't matter. So let's just go to this one over here. Let's just click on here. And again, we'll go ahead and I'll show you the website and show you how simple this is. So if I click on here, it opens up into a new tab. Let's close that. And you'll notice it's a very similar theme. So come down here, we've got recent articles, come further on the page here. And again, these are all automated. So I mean, look at this one here, TikTok videos, funny videos, and lots more. And you'll notice they all say, look, videos, 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 and videos, okay? So let me come out of here. Let me go back over here. And this is just another listing that I found over on Flipper. So sports top news, let's just click on there. And there's quite a few of these for sale. Now, you might be wondering, why would anybody want these websites? Well, A, they're automated. B, they don't take a lot of time to set up. And you can monetize them in a number of ways. As you can see over here, this is This is a sports website, and they've got affiliate links over to, different sporting goods and stores. And then you can also earn money with AdSense on here. You can earn money from sponsored posts, other advertisements like this over here, okay? So, we'll come on this one, come over here, and we'll go here. And again, look, this is just a few examples. You can go through and find lots of these, and they all tend to be starting around this $195. And all of them are fully automated, every one of them. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? How can you do it yourself? Well, look, the beginning of the video, I said to you, I started this method myself a while ago. So I'm going to share with you one example of a website. So this one over here is called Learning a New Way. Now, you can see on here, these videos, if I can scroll up here, we've got videos in all of these different categories. So this is in the history category. You can see the videos on here. And then down at the bottom here, we've got more articles here. And if I scroll up here, you can see all of the recent articles up here. And then we've got an affiliate link here and an affiliate link here. Obviously, this website here is around education, and we've got, different education apps, affiliate links, and other bits. And if we come back over here, we've got the videos category. So if we just click on there, we have got all of these videos here. Now these videos come from YouTube, as you can see. Now the cool thing about this is, as I mentioned, it works automatically. So I'll show you how this works on the back end of the website, okay? So over on the website, let me go over here. So this is what it looks like. You can see it learning a new way. This is what it looks like on the back end. And then basically, this is what it looks like on the front end, okay? So how do you do this? How do you automate these websites which people are selling over on sites like Flipper for a lot of money? And look, you don't have to sell them if you don't want to. This example here, I'm not selling this website. I'm using it to make money. Oh, let me share with you traffic, actually. So if I come over here and go to analytics, this is over on Google. This is the analytics for this website over here, this learning a new way. So if I come in here, is this the, let's see if this is the correct one. Yeah, this is the one. So you can see on here, look, learninganewway.com. So this is the traffic. So in the last 28 days, we've had 601 visitors. We've got people on this here. You can see, if I scroll down here, you can see this is all organic search. Come further down the page here, we've got the different locations. So you can see we're getting traffic from lots of different places, and I'm earning money in a number of ways. So how am I earning money with this? Well, I'm earning money from people clicking on these links over here, and I've also got Amazon affiliate links inside of here. And you can see this up here, again, an affiliate link, okay? So how does this work? So on the back end of this software over here, can see here, look, we've got YouTube channels and playlists, and I have got recently added channels and playlists. So I've got this one, you know, all of these ones here. So if I click on here, I'll go into your channels and playlists, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll down here. You can see these are all of the channels. So basically, you go on YouTube and you find channels related to a niche or a category. So over here, we've got a sports channel. We looked at a pet one a minute ago, and there's any niche you can go into. You will find videos on YouTube like this, okay? So all you do on here is you add a channel, or you can add individual videos if you want, but you can see on here, I have got this channel. Now, if I come over to, let's go over here really quickly, and we can see on here, look, this is the YouTube channel, this is the actual channel, and then basically, if I want to add a video on here, so if I go into dashboard, I'll show you this really quickly. Your channels and playlists added, and I can also, you can see I can add a video URL, I can search for videos or skip to videos. But all I do here is I decide on a category, I find channels on YouTube, and then once I've found them, I come over here to add channels and playlists. I put in the name of the channel here, and I save this. And then once I've got that saved, I can then set it up to be automated. Now you can see here it says auto sync. I've currently got this turned off at this moment in time, but I like to do this manually because obviously I'm not planning on flipping this website or selling this. But all I need to do here is put this to yes, and it will auto sync, which means every time a video from one of these channels has been put over onto YouTube, it will automatically pull it in and put it onto the website over here. That's why these listings over on Flipper fully automated, because it's just being synchronized, okay? So if I come back over here, let me just click on edit brick math, and we can see, oh hang on, sorry, not edit, let me go back over here, and I'm going to click on brick maths, and I've gone into the wrong one. Where? Oh, I want to go here, look. This is what I want to show you. Add a video via URL. So you can add individual videos. I can search for videos in here, and I can also go to my settings. Now inside of the settings here, you can see we've got display and autoplay. So these are all of the options inside of here for when I import a post. And then again, I can go down here and import whichever channel I want on YouTube. And once I've done that, they just publish over on the website for us. And if you want to learn, more about doing this, I've wrote a full article on this for you. So if I come over here, and in fact, let me see if I can find it for you really quickly. Make money with automated websites, very simple passive income. Over on this article here, I've done a video, and again, it walks through this whole process, and I've also shared with you, different ways how you can make money with this, okay? And I also shared some results for, different products and different websites that I've got. If I scroll down here, I'll show you basically this is using a piece of software, okay? Now if I come down here, look, pick up this awesome software, it goes over here. Now how this works is, well, it's like I've mentioned, you literally decide on a category or a niche, and basically you can see here, look, you can create passive income streams from other people's videos and free traffic. And it's, you know, it's not illegal. You're not doing anything shady, because the videos that we're getting on YouTube, they've literally been, when you publish a video on YouTube, you have the option to allow embedding or not embedding. And if people allow you to embed their videos, then you can, you know, you can take those videos and put them into any website that you want, basically. So let's scroll down here and I'll show you this. So look, step 1 is you activate your website, then you pick your videos, and then you look at the different ways to monetize that site. And you can see here, look, you can literally take, so this example here, someone's entire YouTube tech channel into a website like this. You can take your own YouTube channel and you can do the same. If you scroll further on the page here, you've got local clients. Basically, you can do this in any category or niche. It shows you how to rank your videos and obviously earn affiliate commissions. It's really awesome. It genuinely is. And it's very simple to do in here. So this, as I mentioned, this is what it looks like on the front end, and this is what it looks like on the back end. So, as I've mentioned, you come in here, you add your channels and your playlists in here, like I have done, and then you just decide whether you want it to auto sync or not. Now, you might be wondering, why don't I auto sync it? Well, as I've mentioned, I don't plan on flipping this website. I plan on having this website become an authority in, you know, this home education category. So what I do is I come in and, you know, look at some of these channels and go through it manually and see, you know, what videos that they've uploaded recently and, you know, how to add them on. But you can see over here, look, auto sync is off. If I wanted to turn it on, it will just start automating this whole process. And yeah, that's it. So I'll drop a link to this article down below for you. It walks you through this whole process, you know, how this works and different ways of making money with this. But once you've done this and you've set it up, it literally runs on complete autopilot and you can make money in a number of ways. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. As always, have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.